You already know I had to throw the Longhorn emblem on there to get the full effect. Now, I did roll the wheel up in front of this truck. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. It's probably the cleanest thing I built. None of this should make sense. None of this should work. Once that wheel goes in front of there, you guys are just gonna... We got the handles in too. This thing is coming together. I got a couple questions here. Actually, let me show you the seat belts. If this thing wasn't crazy enough, check this out. Here are our seat belts from Safety Restore. If you guys, I've used them on every single build I think I've done so far. Green Truck's got the purple belts, Hellcat came with red belts, Tahoe switched them to red belts, and this one, we obviously have switched it to yellow. This is gonna be just freaking sick. Look at this. I mean, obviously it'll be hanging like right here, but honestly, the seat belts are a thing you get in any vehicle, whether it be yellow or match white, and I don't think white, that'd get dirty fast, but you know what I'm saying, your accent color or whatever. Changing the seatbelt color, incredible. One of my favorite mods to do. I want to see something here. $74.99 a belt to get done in a custom color. So I mean, you think about it, a whole truck, 75 times 5 belts, or 6 if you got a bench, but it's not that bad, especially when most mods are quite expensive, and that makes probably the biggest statement, and it's a thing you use every single day, so definitely worth it. I'm gonna try and work with them, try to get us a discount code for you guys. If I can get that before this video goes live, check in the description, and I might be able to get you guys a discount code, and you guys can get your belts done as well. Super quick turnaround time. Awesome people over there. They just do an incredible job, and like I said, it's one of the biggest statement makers in any vehicle. You get in there, you grab the belt, the first thing the person says is, oh, every single time. So I was actually putting the door panels back on, or the inner door panels back on, and I forgot this. So guess what Ryan has to do one more time? He's got to take the airbag out again. So that was my own fault. I remember taking this out, and then I got frustrated and I left it. So I got to take the airbag back out, put that back in. It's like the washer that goes on the behind the nut. Also on this door, we had a casualty. We broke the handle holder out of here. It's actually a stupid design because it kind of you got to pull the handle down and out of here, and then it kind of pops out of here, but it just broke off. So I ordered a whole new one of these. I'm gonna be driving to Columbus to go pick it up. That's the fastest I could get one. It'll be here actually tomorrow, and I'll go pick it up. It's like an hour, 40-minute drive, whatever. But this whole panel, $380. Because the door handle broke. $380 because the door handle, like retainer, broke off. Poor design. I don't really like that, but whatever. Honestly, whatever. I'm gonna be super careful putting that in. But we had to switch all of these out to our chrome handles. And also, right here, like I said, I ordered the wrong ones for the rear, but one of you guys in the comments said, you could just unscrew them. And I said, all right, we're gonna do that. So I unscrewed it. It was a little tight. And be careful if you're putting the chrome ones on, because if you kind of grab it too hard with your wrench, they will wrinkle. It almost started to, but just be careful if you're going to do that. So all of this is ready to go. All of these windows are in, handles are in, locks are in. A couple more things I got to do in the door panels. I got to run 2 power wires so the LEDs in the handle and the little cubby down here work. But then after that, everything should be good Longhorn wise. Yeah, everything should be good after that. So we're gonna get a whole new one of these. We can get this stuff buttoned up. These mirrors from Boost Auto Parts turned out sick. These just plug in here, and then this wire here, I gotta run one through the door. So when I run the power wires for the LEDs, that's when I'm gonna do the switchback. There's no latch, so I'm gonna be careful. But yeah, these mirrors turned out awesome, guys. Look at that. Honestly, this is what I can't get. I wish the truck was all clean, but look at this mirror. Sorry about the fingerprints. Look at that mirror. Look at that paint job. And then even if you come, I'm gonna find somewhere else in the light. But like, look at that. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, right there. Look at that. You can literally see the peel in the factory paint, right? And then you come up here and look at the mirror. Where's it at? Literally, that Iwata lays it down so well. So well. I also ordered an L6 I think audio thing, so hopefully that'll fix the audio in here. I'm actually gonna go home for tonight because why not? We're gonna throw these seat belts in tomorrow. We can get probably most of the plastics back in. Maybe, I think, I don't know, because if we're doing this, I don't know. It's like my mind's like turning because there's like multiple steps I could go forward and backwards. Oh, while I'm at it, the painted bed rails, it's just a thing. I don't know. I don't know. It definitely really makes everything yellow, but it doesn't look bad. I think it looks decent. The paint to the textured makes it look almost like a different color, but it's really not. It's all the same yellow. But the texture gives you that kind of darkness in there. I don't know, my own thing. But here's where I'm saying, obviously a bed cover not going back on. But you can see the black liner there. I think I have no option. According to the last video in the comment section, 5th gen tails and a red bed liner is the way to go. And some of you said no flares, some of you said flares. I'm gonna finish it. I got lots to do, but drivable finish. Drivable finish, and then see, you know, for a couple of days if I want the flares, I'll order the flares, pick them up, paint them. But I think I've got no option but to do this bed liner red. It's just, it will be ridiculous. I understand that. It'll be like in your face ridiculous. However, the black bed legitimately does not go with the truck. That's the issue here. The black bed legitimately does not go with the truck. It's that bad. Like in person, you're just like looking at it. Look at this. It literally doesn't make any sense. It doesn't. So I almost have no option but to do it red. If I did it yellow, that's like too much yellow. So I think it's red. I think I have to, and I think I'm gonna. I just think I have to. Guys, welcome to Ohio. It's now April 1st. It was 70 the other day, and yeah, this isn't a joke. Like, come on. Just what I needed. I feel like I made a video a couple days ago and I was like, this is gonna be the last cold start. Yeah, no. We can't trust it. Oh! Vents are so cold. Alright, fire up. Perfect. Can't even leave yet. It's freaking cold, man. Guys, well that is literally a lot of yellow. A lot of yellow, but I dig it. Honestly, this is fully coming together now. All the belts are in. Those get tightened on the bottom after the plastics and the seat go in, but that's a lot of yellow. Those belts off the brown. We held up, I'll put a picture on the screen right next to the seat. That looks super good too. So yeah, honestly, I know I wanted to get this thing done by this weekend, but a couple things held us up. Like this panel didn't come in today. It'll be in tomorrow, I think. So that held us up. So once that gets in there, I got to run the 2 wires out. Or if I can find some wires in here that would power the LED lights, that would be awesome. Because this plug back in here, coming through the door, that might be a slight challenge, but we'll figure it out somehow. Right there, we just swapped in the new home link. This is my like roof center console, but the one I got offline, and I swapped out the rear window switch back to the blank dummy panel, and I still have my LEDs in there. So yeah, so I still have the LEDs in there. Didn't have to swap the bulbs again. That, and then you can see the home link lights up, which is awesome. Other than that, handles look great. Bed caps look funny, like I said. Not funny, they look great. This looks funny. Like I said, I kind of want to do the red bed liner. I'm still up in the air. I kind of think I'm going to get everything put on and this out of it before I actually decide on that. But yeah, because it just, the black off the yellow and all this other random color in here, that kind of looks out of place. So yeah, we're literally waiting on this inner door panel so I can swap that, get this thing in there, and we can close this up. And it'll actually lock, and I can fully buff, polish, detail the whole outside of this thing. Oh, those Boost Auto Parts mirrors look incredible. I gotta run 1 wire, so we'll have the switchback function on here, so I gotta run that. But other than that, guys, oh, that looks good. Off the Longhorn emblem, I just had to throw that one on there. Other one's not on yet, but oh, that looks good. Paint match on point. Honestly on point, but this whole kind of thing looks so good together. And with the wheel up here, you guys are gonna see here shortly how good this thing looks. None of it should work. Not any of it should work, but it looks so good doing it. So honestly, I would say a couple videos away from this thing being kind of done and rolling. Like I said, performance mods, other stuff will come in due time, but the whole structure of this build is going to be done here shortly. Let me know if I should get the chrome handle caps for these or just leave it all yellow. But yeah, just this handle, kind of make it look like the OEM handles. But I also do like the paint match like this, so it would just be this part of the handle and that would be yellow. Same thing all the way around. But let me know if I should get those kind of to match the mirror. If not, just leave the yellow the way it is. Yeah, rock lights, fuel door, and then the interior, and everything should be there, and we can bolt these up. We'll be done. This has been a long process, a lot longer than I thought. I didn't mean to take it this extensive, but we did. And I'm kind of glad I did, because this thing I've sent the pictures of the wheels on it to a bunch of people, and they think I outdid my green truck, which is awesome, and I think I accidentally did that too. So I just can't wait for you guys to see this thing done. Like I said, waiting on that, and then the whole interior can go in. My audio line output converter thing that goes behind the radio just got here today too, so I'm gonna be able to put, zooming in, but I'm gonna be able to put that in there. And then after that, those seats can get all the dust off of them and go in there, and we officially have the only and probably the best looking yellow Longhorn Ram tradesman that's now a Longhorn. So yeah, guys, I just want to say thank you guys for your support during this. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for the likes, the comments. Thank you for all of it. It's been a crazy, wild ride with this one, and I can't wait to show you guys the final result. So if you guys enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. While you're down there, tap that notification bell, click all so you don't miss out on any of the uploads. Drop me a comment. I don't remember what I said, but drop me a comment, shoot the video a like, subscribe. Take care. I'll see you next time. Yeah, look at the crate, just showed up. So the next video you're gonna see, our wheel and tire balancer is literally here. So everything's getting mounted, boys. We'll see you next time.